Usage of connectors edition compiled and voiced by Nageswara Rao A, English teacher Sri Prakash. Connectors are words that join sentences together. They also indicate how ideas are related or connected. If we intend to join two similar ideas, we use the following connectors: and, as well as, also, besides, moreover, furthermore, in addition, not only but also. Now, let us study the following sentences. Our English teacher teaches well. He counsels well. The above sentences express similar or positive ideas. We join those sentences using above mentioned connectors. Our English teacher teaches well and he counsels well. Our English teacher teaches well as well as he counsels well. Our English teacher teaches well, also he counsels well. Our English teacher teaches well, besides he counsels well. When we put a verb immediately after these connectors, we use the present participle, that is, ing form of the verb. For example, as well as counseling well, our English teacher teaches well. Besides counseling well, our English teacher teaches well. Also counseling well, our English teacher teaches well. Let us study the following examples. She is extremely intelligent. She is very practical. She is extremely intelligent and very practical. She is extremely intelligent as well as very practical. She is extremely intelligent as well as being practical. She is not only extremely intelligent but also being very practical. She is extremely intelligent, moreover, very practical. She is extremely intelligent besides being very practical. Let us learn about another set of connectors in our next lesson. Let learning continues.